In this video, I'm going to show you how to resize an image in Canva. So I have this image of a kitty over here and I'm going to show you how you can resize it. You can resize any image in the free version of Canva you'd like. So what you want to do is first select the image you would like to resize. So you can either click on it, just like I did over here, or if you have multiple images, so let's say I have two images of this cat over here, you can just simply kind of drag around them, as you can see. Position yourself in the empty space, hold down your left mouse button, and then simply drag around both images. And there we go, the images have been selected. Now, if you want to resize a certain image, once you've selected it, you simply want to go to its corners, as you can see, to any one of the corners, so to left top, left bottom, or right top, right bottom, and you can simply drag it out just like I'm doing, and as you can see, over here next to my mouse, the width and the height are changing. You can see the numbers change, and you can change it however you'd like to. You can then position it around and change it some more. And yes, that's the original way of resizing an image in Canva. But if you want to kind of get rid of this blank space around it and kind of resize inside the image, you can also drag the border, so the top, bottom, left, or right border. As you can see, if I do this, the border kind of gets removed, and then if I pull it out, as you can see, the image is getting resized, okay? But it's kind of getting cropped at the same time as well. So yeah, those are the two options, and that's how you resize an image in Canva.